Our Indian festivals are incomplete without sweets. And as the Holi is coming up, I thought of showing you guys how to make badam halwa. So let's get started. Here I have taken some almonds and I've soaked it in hot water and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. You can also let it sit for overnight. Then peel the almonds and dry them. Next, transfer them into a mixer jar and grind them into a powder. Here I'm keeping it a bit coarse. If you don't like the creamy texture, you can grind it into a fine powder. Next, heat some milk in a pan and add the almond powder. Mix it well without leaving any lumps. Add extra milk gradually and mix it until the milk is reduced. Next, add saffron strands and cook it until the raw smell of the almonds is gone. Make sure to keep stirring it on a medium-low flame, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. Once it starts changing its color to light golden brown, add sugar and stir continuously for 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. Now you can see the sugar has started melting away. At this stage, we'll add some ghee gradually and cook it until the halwa starts leaving its edges. Once it reaches this point, turn off the flame and garnish it with some chopped almonds and enjoy. Finally, I wish you all a very happy Holi. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try, and if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to it yet, please do subscribe and share.